The third tutorial in this Google Docs series is about producing a scatterplot chart of the data and results that we've got. So for this particular experiment, distance and time are what we want on the graph, and we want the average time here to be on the x-axis. Time is always going to be on that horizontal axis. So the easiest way to make it do that is to just take hold of the distances there, paste a copy of it over here right next to the average time so that we can select that block of data like so, and then we're going to go up to the insert category and we're going to insert a chart. Okay, and we get this big menu coming up. You can't see all of it on the screen, but you'll see we want to select scatter plot. We want a scatter plot. Okay, and then over on this side we get to put in some of the information about the chart. So it needs a title. All of our tables and figures are going to have a caption which tells us what table or figure number it is. Figure 1, and this is distance versus time for a ball on a ramp. Just a neat little descriptive title. The horizontal axis is going to be the time, so it's time, t, in seconds. What we type in here agrees with our data table headings so that everything's consistent. And on the vertical axis we've got distance x in meters. The legend we don't need, so we'll just get rid of that. It takes up space on the chart. And then if I just pull this up a little bit, you get to see what the chart looks like there. And you might want to just fiddle with the axes so that you don't have this point right on the edge of the graph there. So maybe we'll make the minimum 0. We don't really want to lose the corners. And the maximum about 0.35, like so. And then we get the chart in our spreadsheet as so. There's lots of things, unfortunately, that you can't do with Google Docs, such as copy and paste these tables and charts into a word processing document. So that can get kind of ugly. If you have a word processing document and spreadsheet of your own at home, you could export this file into that format. Under File here, you can download as a comma-separated variable, an Excel spreadsheet file, an OpenOffice spreadsheet file. And then edit it a little further and re-import it into a Word document and then upload that Word document. Unfortunately, Google Docs doesn't make this easy for you. But that's how you would plot a chart in Google Docs, and that's how you would format the data table. You'd go through a very similar process in Excel or OpenOffice to get the same result.